Hello and welcome to another session on Cosmic Dot. This session, as I mentioned in my previous video, is to teach you, or that would not be a correct word, is to recite Ramaraksha Stotram. Those of you who are not familiar with this stotram is very powerful. Generally, you have suktams and stotras. When you recite a suktam, it is to be recited in a particular tune. But it is not so with a stotram. With a stotram, your stotram you can recite in any tune you like. Even you can just read it out. It will confer the benefits. So, whereas a suktam has to be recited according to the Vedic tune. Now this Ramaraksha Stotram is a kind of a kavacham, an armor which will protect you against all evils. It will make you successful in all fields, and it will also protect you from any disease, prevent any disease that might cause a disturbance. So for all kinds of physical, mental disturbances, this is an antidote. The word Rama itself, Ram, that is Agni Bijam, which will burn your karma, and Ma is preventing any kind of negativity. So Rama Nama Japam is believed to burn your Sanchita karma. So this Ramaraksha Stotram, I will share the screen and open the Stotranidhi app so that you can also see the Stotram. Let us go to just type Ramaraksha Stotram. Stotranidhi. Okay. Here you will get it in all languages. I prefer Devanagari, so I will open it in Devanagari Lipi. If you are comfortable, you can continue with this. Else, you can open your mobile or laptop and you can open the Stotram there in a language that you are comfortable with. Okay. So I will not discuss the meaning of every word here. I want to see how many people are really interested in learning. This session is to make you familiar with the pronunciation of the words in this. If I find people being interested, then in another session I will discuss a word-to-word meaning of this stotram. As and when required, the small pieces of information I will pass on, but word-to-word meaning I will not be discussing here. So before you start the stotram, for every stotram you will have the presiding deity, the Shakti of that stotram, and the meter in which it is composed. Then the who is the main, the main pivot, Kilakam, and what is the Sankalpam of this. So those aspects are covered in the first part of this stotram. The stotram doesn't start yet. First you have the details of that stotram, who wrote it. It is not actually writing. Rishis are the drashtas of mantras and all. Now this was actually passed on to Buddha Kaushika Rishi by Lord Shiva. It is believed that it has been passed on by Lord Shiva in the dream, and then as soon as he woke up, immediately he wrote it down. So this has come directly from God. So Asya Shri Ramaraksha Stotra Mantrasya Buddha Kaushika Rishihi. Buddha Kaushika is the Rishi who is the drashta of this. He was given this stotram by Shiva, Lord Shiva. Shri Sita Ramachandro Devata. Okay, deity is Sita Ramachandra. Anushtup Chanda. This is the meter in which this is composed. Anushtup Chanda is every shlokam will have 4 parts, and each part will have 8 letters in it. So that is the Anushtup Chanda, just Chandas. Sita Shakti, Sriman Hanuman Kilakam. Hanuman is the main Kilakam here. because for bhakti, number one is Hanuman. Sri Ramachandra Prityarthe. What is the sankalpam? To please Lord Rama. If he is pleased, he will bless you with all abundance, prosperity and health. So another sankalpam separately for this is not needed. Sri Ramachandra Prityarthe Rama Raksha Stotra Jape Viniyogaha. So you are going to recite this stotram for to please Lord Rama. Now Dhyanam. You have to meditate on the deity on which the stotram is composed. So Dhyanam on Lord Rama. Dhyayed ajanubahum dhrutasharadanusham baddha padmasanastham pītam vaso vasanam nava kamala dala spardhinetram prasannam vamankaruda sītāmuka kamala milla lochanam niradabam Nanalankara Deeptam Dada Tamuru Jata Mandalam Ramachandram. It is Dhyanam. This is Dhyanam. You meditate on Lord Rama in this form. Now starts the Stotram. Atha Stotram. You can recite it in the way you recite any other Stotram. Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram or Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, any Stotram that you recite in the same manner you can recite this. Charitam Raghunadasya Shatakoti Pravistaram Ekaikamaksharam Pumsam Mahapatakanashanam Dhyatva Nilotpalashyamam Ramam Rajivalochanam Janaki Lakshmanopetam Jata Mukutamanditam Sasituna Dhanurbanim Bana Panim Naktam Charantakamsi Sasituna Dhanurbana Panim. He is holding the Dhanush in his hand. Sasituna Dhanurbana Panim Naktam Charantakam Swalilaya Jagatratum Avirbhutam Ajam Vibhum Rama Raksham Pathet Pragya Papagnim Sarvakamadam Shiro Me Ragavah Patu Phalam Dasharadatmajah Kausalyeyo Drishau Patu Vishwamitra Priyashruti. For every organ you have one namam of Rama being recited here. Granam patu makhatrata mukham saumitrivatsalaha jihvam vidyanidih patu kantham bharatavanditaha skandau divyayudah patu bhujau bhagneshakar karau sitapatih patu hridayam jamadagnyajit Madhyam patu kharadhvamsi nabhim jambavadashrayah Sugriveshah kati patu saktini hanumat prabhu Uru raguttamah patu rakshah kulavinashakrit Januni setu krit patu janghe dashamukhantakah Padau vibhishana shredah patu ramokhilam vapuhu Etam Rama Balopetam Raksham Yas Sukriti Pathet Sahchirayuh Sukhi Putri Vijayi Vinayi Bhavet Patala Bhutala Vyomachari Naschadmacharinaha Nadashtumapi Shaktaste Rakshitam Ramanamabhi Rameti Ramabhadreti Ramachandreti Vasmaran Naro nalipyate paper bhuktim muktim cha vindati Jagadjaitreka mantrena ramanamnabhirakshitam Yah kanthe dharaye tasya karastah sarvasiddhayah Vajrapanjara namedam yo ramakavacham smaret Avyahatagyah sarvatra labate jayamangalam Adishtavan yatha swapne Rama rakshamimam haraha Tatha likhitavan pratah prabuddho budhakaushikah Aramah kalpa vrikshanam viramah sakalapadam अभिरामस्त्रिलोकानां रामः श्रीमान् सनः प्रभुः तरुणो रूपसम्पन्नो सुकुमारो महाबलो पुण्डरीकविशालाक्षो चिरकृष्णाजिनाम्बरो फलमूलाशिनौ दान्तो तापसो ब्रह्मचारिणौ पुत्रो दशरथश्रेतो भ्रातरो रामलक्ष्मणौ शरण्यो सर्वसत्त्वानां श्रेष्ठो सर्वधनुष्मतां रक्षः कुलनिहन्तारो त्रायेतां नो रघुत्तमो. The next one is a little long, so you have to see where it is to be split. आत्तसज्जधनुषा विषस्पृशा वक्षयाशुगनिषङ्गसङ्गिनौ रक्षणाय मम रामलक्ष्मणा वग्रतः पति सदैव गच्छताम् सन्नदः कवची खड्गी चापबाणधरो युवा गच्छन्मनोरथान्नश्च रामः पातु स लक्ष्मणः रामो दाशरथिशूरो लक्ष्मणानुचरो बली काकुत्स्थः पुरुषः पूर्णः कौसल्येयो रघुत्तमः वेदान्तवेद्यो यज्ञेशः पुराणपुरुषोत्तमः जानकीवल्लभः श्रीमान् अप्रमेयपराक्रमः इत्येतानि जपेन्नित्यं मद्भक्तः श्रद्धयान्वितः अश्वमेधादिकं पुण्यं सम्प्राप्नोति न संशयः. रामं दूर्वादलश्यामं पद्माक्षं पीतवाससं स्तुवन्ति नामभिर्दिव्यैर्न ते संसारिणो नरः रामं लक्ष्मणपूर्वजं रघुवरं सीतापतिं सुन्दरं काकुत्स्थं करुणार्णवं गुणनिधिं विप्रप्रियं धार्मिकं राजेन्द्रं सत्यसन्धं दशरथतनयं श्यामलं शान्तिमूर्तिं वन्दे लोकाभिरामं रघुकुलतिलकं राघवं रावणारिं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः. श्रीराम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम श्रीराम राम भरताग्रज राम राम श्रीराम राम रणकर्कश राम राम श्रीराम राम शरणं भव राम राम श्रीरामचन्द्रचरणो मनसा स्मरामि श्रीरामचन्द्रचरणो वचसा गृह्णामि श्रीरामचन्द्रचरणो शिरसा नमामि श्रीरामचन्द्रचरणो शरणं प्रपद्ये. माता रामो मत्पिता रामचन्द्र स्वामी रामो मत्सखा रामचन्द्र सर्वस्वं मे रामचन्द्रो दयाळुः नान्यं जाने नैव जाने न जाने. दक्षिणे लक्ष्मणो यस्य वामे तु जनकात्मज पुरुतो मारुतिर्यस्य तं वन्दे रघुनन्दनं लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनादं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरन्तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये. मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्. आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं. भर्जनं भवबीजानामर्जनं सुखसम्पदां तर्जनं यमदूतानां राम रामेति गर्जनं. रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे. रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमु रामाय तस्मै नमः. रामन्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर. श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने. श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने. श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने. इति श्री बुधकौशिकमुनिविरचितं श्रीरामरक्षास्तोत्रम्. So this is Ramaraksha Stotram. When you recite this Stotram, you can keep lota filled with water or even a bottle filled with water, and when you chant this, the water gets energized, and when you drink that water, you start healing. Every cell will get rejuvenated. So when you are doing for a particular purpose, then you have to recite it 9 days, 11 times each day. First day you have to take the sankalpam that it is for this reason, for my promotion or for a job or for marriage or for a healthy relationship or for acquiring a property, whatever is your desire, your wish. You say the sankalpam that it is for this reason that I am doing this, and recite it 11 times, 9 days continuously without any break. So I hope you like this session. This recording will be available on YouTube, and you can let me know if there is any specific stotram that you wish to learn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new.